My name is Joe James, and I'm from I'm from Tampa, Florida. The reason why I decided to attend was because I was looking for a better opportunity to better myself, and as far as getting more experience in my craft. The business portion was outstanding. I learned a lot more than I came in here with, and I would highly recommend that fellow entrepreneurs attend the class. Exterior training was outstanding. I really enjoyed it, and it gave me a breakdown, and Nick and the staff actually went through and explained all the products. Most definitely, it was an outstanding experience. You guys have a good thing going here, and keep it up.